Yeah, same question.
Okay. So we will do NPO question number 52. And in NPO, this is a very standard question of this. It should not come for 5 marks because this is uh, a bit time consuming question, but question like this will come for 5 marks. I think a, a question with, let's say, 2 to 3 adjustments instead of 5 adjustments, and some lesser transactions,
Okay.
receipt payment account, but question will come like this. So we are doing a bit of a tricky one, but you will understand the concept, and that is good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the question is, from the following receipt and payment account, prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So this is the standard question that we discussed yesterday as well. You are given with receipt and payment account, and you are expected to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet.
Yes.
Sometimes you are just expected to prepare the income and expenditure account. Sometimes you are asked to prepare both.
Okay.
In this case, you have to prepare both income and expenditure and balance sheet. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So as you will go through receipt and payment account, you will find that it's a very normal account, nothing sort of extraordinary. So we have opening balance here, and then we have other receipts from donations, subscriptions, entrance fees. So these are receipts, these are inflows of money. And on the credit side are the outflows. So that is what receipt and payment account is. That shows inflows and outflows, and at the end it is closing balance of cash and bank.
Okay.
And then we are given few adjustments. So first is regarding subscriptions, the next is regarding insurance premium, the next is regarding miscellaneous expenses prepaid, and after that interest on investment, and after that billiards table.
Yeah, okay.
So basically we will use these adjustments when we prepare income and expenditure account and even balance sheet. So let us quickly prepare the format. So you have opened your book?
Yeah.
Okay. So question number is 52. We are preparing income and okay, bro, by the way, how is the weather in Dubai?
Very hot.
Oh,
Very hot and humid.
okay. So the temperature is what? Around 45?
Yeah, you can say it's around 40.
Okay. Even in India, yeah, the situation is really bad, especially in Delhi NCR.
Yeah, I know. And I have to go to India also during those July, August.
The situation is like we have literally banned from going outside of office or homes. So in the afternoon you just cannot go outside. It is situation is very bad.
It's very hot outside.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the format of income and expenditure account, basic account. So, bro, what is the first thing in receipt and payment account on the debit side?
Balance brought down.
Okay. Where should we show that?
Nowhere.
Okay. In this account, that will not be shown. Next.
Then cash in hand. No. Then donation. 90,000. So it'll be by donation. By donation 90,000.
Okay.
Then to subscription, which is 4,28,000, but there is a information on it.
Okay.
Wait, sorry, the donation is 50,000, not
50,000.
91. 50,000, 50,000.
Okay.
And then to subscriptions, where subscription in area for at the end is 9,000, and subscription in advance at the end is 3,500. So by subscriptions, which is 1,20,000 plus outstanding minus advance, which is 9,000 and 3,500. So, so it will be 1,25,500.
Okay.
Hopefully I'm right. Yes. And then we have entrance fees of 10,000
Next.
by entrance fees 10,000. And then we have interest on investments, which is 1,000.
Okay. So by entrance fees and by interest on investment.
Yes.
And there is some adjustment for interest on investment.
Is there? No. Yeah, 8% interest has accrued on investment for 5 months. So that's
So we already received interest on investment.
no. It says 8% interest has accrued on investment, but then the investment is on the payment side.
Yes. So basically, what is the interest that we have received?
8%.
No. What is the interest that we have already received?
Oh,
What is the interest
1,000,
that we have received?
1,000.
1,000 we have received, and the accrued, which means we are yet to receive, we will receive it. So that will be added, right?
Yeah.
Because outstanding at the end, yet to receive at the end is added.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to find the amount, and you need to find 8% for 5 months on the value of investments.
Yes. So it would be 8 by 100 into 5 by 12 into 60,000. Two thousand. 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Total amount is 3,000. Okay, next. So I hope you have got this point. This was an
Yes.
interesting point, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay, next.
And then interest received from bank.
Interest received from bank. Okay.
Its value is 4,000.
Next.
Then sale of old newspapers. Which is 1,500.
Next.
And then sale of drama tickets. Which is 10,500. And that's it for receipts.
Okay.
Then insurance premium outstanding. Okay, then we go on to payments.
Okay.
So we have to salary. Any information? No information. To salary, 20,000.
Okay.
And then to repair and expenses.
Two
Repair expenses.
prepaid expenses.
Repair.
Acha. Okay. ठीक है.
Then we have furniture, but it goes to the balance sheet. And then we have miscellaneous expenses, which is 5,000, and there is miscellaneous expenses prepaid 900
So the repairs amount was 5,000, right?
of yeah.
Okay. Next.
And then it says miscellaneous expenses prepaid 900.
So why did you skip furniture?
Furniture is an asset, so it goes to the balance sheet.
Okay, so that will not be covered here, right?
Yes.
Miscellaneous expenses.
Miscellaneous expenses 5,000.
5,000. Okay.
So we minus 900, right?
Yes, prepaid is deducted.
Yes. Prepaid meaning already paid before.
Yeah, we have paid in advance.
Okay. And then we have by investments.
Investments, okay. Should I write that? Investments?
Yeah.
So investments are expenses, right?
It is, right?
No, investments are assets.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Investment, then insurance premium 2,000. But it is outstanding for 400.
2,000 and outstanding is 400. So do we add or deduct 400?
Insurance premium outstanding. We added.
We added. Okay. Nice. Next.
To insurance. How much is insurance premium? 2,000. Plus outstanding 400, so 2,400. Okay, and then we have billiards table, but it is an asset, so it goes to the balance sheet.
We will ignore that.
We ignore that. But there is an information saying that billiard table costing 3 lakhs was purchased during last year, and 2,20,000 was paid for it.
Yeah. So we purchased billiard tables worth rupees 3 lakh last year.
Yes.
And we paid how much last year?
2 lakh, or we paid 2,20,000.
And how much was due? Last year, how much amount was due to be paid?
Last year, no?
Yeah,
so
we
80,000.
purchased for 3 lakh and we paid 2,20,000.
Yeah, so left is 80,000.
And we paid that 80,000 in the current year. Still, we don't have to do anything in income and expenditure account.
Yeah, we can just write 80,000.
No, we don't have to write 80,000.
Oh yeah, it's an asset.
Yeah, and Dhruv, for assets, what is the expense that we book in income and expenditure account?
For assets,
Yes,
depreciation.
right. So whenever there is an asset, always look out for depreciation. So in our example, furniture, there is no depreciation given, right?
Yeah.
For billiard table also, there is no depreciation given. So if there
Mhm.
was any depreciation, we would have noted that down on the expense side.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Then to paper, ink, etc. But that goes to the balance sheet.
Okay, no, this is stationery.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah, okay, okay.
This is an expense.
Yes, yes. To paper, ink, etc. 1,500.
1,500.
Yep. And then
Okay,
drama expenses.
drama expenses. Okay,
Drama expenses 5,000.
okay,
Then we have to find surplus.
okay. So is that it?
Yeah.
So just quickly go through the adjustments as well. So we have considered all the adjustments. We have done subscription. We have done insurance premium, miscellaneous expenses, interest, billiard table. Okay, cool. So quickly find the value of surplus.
Yes. So the incomes total is 2,04,500.
Okay,
And then surplus would be 1,92,500.
1,92,000.
Yeah.
How is that possible, Dhruv? The first amount is 20,000 salary. Just check that amount.
Yes, 1 second.
If that is 20,000,
20,000. Yeah, it's 165.
165.
165, 165. Wait, did I do something wrong?
It's 165,000.
No, because in the question it says the answer is 1,66,500.
Okay. But what's the answer that we are getting?
165,000. We are missing 1,500.
1,65,000, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have done everything correctly. So let me check if we have missed anything. Just check this calculation.
Which one? Okay.
And so there must be a calculation error. 20, then 30, then
It's correct.
36,500, 36,500. The expense side is 38,000, right?
1 second.
एक 185, 185, 189, 192, 202, 203, 204, 500.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It is 38,000.
It is 38,000, right?
Yeah. So it's 166,500.
It's 166,500 ना?
Yes.
ठीक है ना, फिर आंसर आ रहा है ना मतलब?
Yeah.
Okay. So the answer will come. These questions are not that tricky if you understand the concept basically. So if I have to summarize this in a very short manner, so we can say that you have to just copy income receipt and payment account and make some adjustments.
Mhm.
You have to do that wisely. So what we did, we just put all the receipts on the income side, but we did that smartly. We did some adjustments and we put all the payments on the expenses side and again did some adjustments.
Yes.
And there were two main mistakes that you did. So just tell me the answers for these. Investments are what? Assets or expenses?
Assets.
Investments are assets. And stationery?
Stationery expenses.
Yeah. Remember this point, okay?
Yes.
Now, we need to prepare the balance sheet as well. So let us quickly do that. Now, let's hope in exam the balance sheet part does not come.
Yes.
Okay. If it comes, it is not that tricky, but you need some practice for that. So we need to prepare two balance sheets.
2.
How many balance sheets are needed?
2 balance sheets.
2 balance sheets. So one is closing balance sheet and one is the next is opening balance sheet.
Okay.
Opening balance sheet basically means the balance sheet at the last year's end, right? And closing balance sheet means the balance sheet of this year.
Yes.
So what we will do is we will try to find all the assets and liabilities that were given to us in the question. So let's see how many can you find. Try to find opening assets and opening liabilities, everything that you can find and put them here.
Okay.
So you have to look at 3 things, Dhruv. First is look at receipt and payment account. You will find many assets and liabilities in this. Second is look at additional information. And third is look at income and expenditure account that you have just prepared. Okay.
Okay.
And try to find assets and liabilities. Let's see how many you can find. If you can find at least 8 or yeah, that will be good. 8 or 10. Try to find at least 8 or 10 assets and liabilities. Start.
Okay. Do we consider interests as an asset?
Interest is an income. Accrued interest is an asset.
Accrued. Then yeah, so accrued no, subscription in advance is an what do you say, asset, right? At the end
Subscription
of the year.
receipt in advance
Yeah,
is an asset.
it is accrued, right? Or is it no? It's no, wrong. It is subscriptions in arrear.
Yeah, that is an asset.
That is an asset, yes. For the year ending. So the closing, so we write in the closing balance sheet subscription in arrears, outstanding subscription.
Okay. Amount,
which is
quick.
9,000.
Okay, next.
And then we have what else do we have? We have furniture.
Okay. In the closing balance sheet,
Yeah,
okay, what is the amount?
furniture is 60,000.
Okay.
Then we have billiard table.
Billiard table, okay. No, that will not come here.
It'll come in
But
the opening.
what?
It'll come in the opening.
Yeah, it will come in the opening. Because we purchased it last year, right?
Yes, yes.
But it will come in this year also, because we purchased it last year, but we would still have it, right? Pretty logical,
Mm-hmm.
huh? If we
Mm-hmm.
purchase something last year, so we will still have that asset.
Yes. And then insurance premium outstanding.
Okay, on what side?
This would be on the closing side.
On, okay, closing balance sheet, what side? Asset, liability.
Assets. Assets.
Insurance premium outstanding is an asset group. हमें पैसा देना बाकी है, हमें पैसा देना बाकी है.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. So, what's meaning of insurance premium again?
Insurance premium is insurance का खर्चा, insurance expense. So when we get our business or we get anything insured, we have to pay some premium for that
Mm-hmm.
to get insurance, right?
Yeah.
If I go to a company and I get myself insured or my business insured or my asset insured, I will have to pay some premium, monthly premium or annual premium.
Mm-hmm.
So that they charge us some amount to give us insurance benefit.
Okay.
So where will you show that?
Well, what insurance premium outstanding
Yeah,
on the closing balance sheet liability side.
right. Insurance outstanding. Okay, what is the amount?
Insurance outstanding is 400.
Okay, next.
Then we have miscellaneous expenses prepaid.
Okay.
Prepaid means already paid. So is it an asset or a liability?
If
I feel
you,
like it's an asset.
yeah, if you prepay something, that is a benefit to you, right?
Yes.
Miscellaneous expenses prepaid. Yeah.
And then how much is it? 900. And then we have interest accrued on investments.
Okay, what is the amount?
That would be. Do we have to like find the 8%? How do I say? Like we have to find for 5 months or for the whole year, because it says
You have
8%
to
interest
find
as
the
accrued on
for 5 months.
Okay, 5 months. Now then it would be
You have already calculated that. Okay,
yeah, we
don't do
already
the,
found it. Yes, we already found it. So
yeah.
it would be where did it go? Yeah, it would be 2,000.
Accrued interest. So that is an asset or a liability?
Accrued interest. Accrued, yet to receive. It's a liability, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a liability. If okay, so if someone tells you that you are yet to receive some money, so you will be sad, right? You are yet to receive some money, so that's a very sad thing. You are yet to
Yeah.
receive money, you know?
Yes, yes.
No, that is not a sad thing. That is a good thing. You are yet to receive some money. You will receive some money, so you will get excited. Wow, yeah, I will receive some money in future.
Well, depends.
No, that, oh, Dhruv, if I tell you you will receive a really good gift on your birthday coming week in few days. So I think you will get excited because you are yet to receive something. You will
Yeah.
expect it, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So that is an asset. It is just like subscription outstanding. We are yet to receive subscription.
Okay. So accrued interest is asset on the closing balance.
Yeah. Anything else you can find?
Not much.
Okay.
No, not,
So let's
nothing else.
count how many you were able to
1,
find.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
7.
Okay. You should at least find one more to pass. Find one more asset or liability. Look at the receipt and payment account. Look at adjustments. Look at income and expenditure account. You will find something.
Subscription received in advance at the end.
Yeah. So that is an asset or liability.
It's an asset.
Asset liability में confusion है. If you receive something in advance, that is not a very good thing. You may have to return it.
Oh yeah, then yeah, we are liable because if you don't pay the good or the service, then it's a bad
Yes.
thing. Yes,
You
yes,
need
yes, yes.
to
Makes sense, makes sense.
get this thing really clear. This will create a
Yes,
lot
yes,
of
yes.
problems for you in exam.
So subscription received in advance.
Okay, what is the amount?
It is subscription received in advance is 3,500.
Okay, so you have mentioned 8, nice, but can you mention some more because there are more assets and liabilities that are sort of hidden.
Okay, let me find.
I'll give you a hint. Look in receipt and payment account.
Receipt and payment. Balance brought down and carried down.
Right, good.
So we write balance brought down on in the opening balance sheet.
What side?
Balance. Oh, it's a capital, so it will be.
No, it's not capital, bro.
Oh,
It's
it says
not
cash it back, assets.
right. What is the amount?
Amount is 1,40,000.
Okay, and
then assets cash and bank for closing as well.
what is the amount?
Amount is 98,500.
Okay. Now, well done. Let me look into this and try to find more assets and liabilities. So we have covered all this. There are nothing here. We have covered all this. There is nothing here. We have covered billiard table. We have covered furniture. Oh, you missed investments.
What was that?
Investments are assets. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Investments.
Yes.
So you missed
So on the
this.
closing balance asset side.
Yes, closing balance sheet asset side. What is the value of investments?
60,000.
60,000, right? So let us look again. I think you have covered all the things in receipt payment account now. We have done subscription, this, we have done this, we have done this. Okay. So we have done each and everything from the question. Let us quickly look at the income and expenditure account. that we prepared. We usually look at the adjustments. Okay, so we have done considered 900. We have considered 400. It was already in the question. So just to verify again, we have covered this, we have covered this, we have covered 2000. So we have covered each and everything. We are good to go. Okay. Now this was not a very tough part because I rarely helped you in this. So you answered almost everything by yourself. Now what you need to do is, in the opening balance sheet, you need to find the surplus, not the surplus, my bad, the capital.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will be the balance sheet figure. There are no liabilities in this. So capital is directly 3,40,000, right?
Capital, yeah.
3,40,000. So what we will do then? We will write capital, opening capital from the balance sheet that we found, opening balance sheet. So we will write it here and we will add surplus. Surplus from income and expenditure account.
And we have to
Remember
find the
this part, this
surplus.
is important.
Okay.
So capital is opening capital
Plus surplus.
plus surplus. And the surplus is?
I'll find it 1 second.
No, you have already calculated that.
Oh, okay. Now we just have to match the asset and liability.
Tell me again, how do you find surplus?
It's we did in the income and expenditure account.
Right. Tell me the total of capital.
Total of capital?
Yeah.
Okay. Five lakh 6,500.
5,06,000.
500.
Okay. Now, try to total the balance sheet.
So this would be five lakh 10,400.
Okay.
That's the total of the liabilities. Let me find the income side.
Asset side.
Yeah, the asset side.
Yeah. बहुत कम आ रहा है 5 लाख तो it's nowhere near 5 lakh.
That's what I was thinking.
It is 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, maximum 4, 5 lakh. Okay, just try to do that. Okay, let's students.
4,30,400.
430, 400.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was just looking at the question and I think we missed something. We missed this date.
Which?
This date. These are two different dates. That's why our answer is not matching.
Oh.
So
Subscription. This is okay. Ending on 20th, 2020. When does this end? 2020, 1st March it ended. Oh, it says subscription advance for the year ending 2022 is 3,500.
so the current year is 2022, right? No.
No, it's 2021.
No, actually, we did this correctly because this is the next year. So that's okay. No. So this is okay. So why did our answer not match? So is there any calculation error? 340. कुछ कैलकुलेशन एक बार चेक करो एसेट वाला फिर से.
Okay.
Because this should definitely match. यार ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. We have written each and everything. एक बार अपने और मेरे अमाउंट सेम चेक करो. हमारे अमाउंट सेम है क्या?
It's 4,30,400.
It's 430,400. Okay, okay. So the difference is exactly 80,000. So this should definitely match. Dhruv, we have written each and everything, and our surplus. Okay, the answer is given here, and it says capital is 3,60,000. So I think we got our opening capital right.
Okay.
So the amount was 3,60,000, right?
3,60,000 in the opening. No, you said it was 3,40,000.
यार हमने बिलियर्ड टेबल 3 लाख क्यों लिखा है यार? 2 लाख क्यों लिखा बिलियर्ड टेबल हमने जब 3 लाख की है तो?
Oh. Yeah, it says it says billiard table costing 3 lakh.
So
Purchase for 2,200,000.
now let's do the rectification here and we will get our answer immediately. So billiard table कितने की है?
3 lakhs.
And we paid how much? 2,20,000. So it means 80,000 was yet to be paid.
Yes, yes.
So we will write outstanding for billiard table. या फिर we will write billiard table liability because we are yet to pay for billiard table, right?
Yes, yes.
So this
80,000.
changes our capital. So this
Changes
is
by whole.
440 and this is 440 minus
Yes.
80 and we get what amount?
440.
360.
360.
Right? And when we do these changes, we write 360 here. Our balance sheet increases by 40,000, so we get 550 and billiard table. No. Just calculate this amount again, yaar.
Three lakhs. 4,66,500.
466,500 is the total. Actually,